Genuine OHM factory part. Exact fit. Durable. Best in quality. Press once and only driver's door unlocks for safety. Press twice and all doors unlock. Hyundai quality assured, genuine Honda parts OEM only, not aftermarket. Top reviews from the United States. Be patient with programming it to your car. I love how easy it was, took like 10 minutes tops. Opening the center console to find the plug for it. That's all you gotta do. Programming took a little second because I had the key positions mixed up, otherwise great. It sure beats using my key every time I need to unlock my doors. I just installed it on my 02 CRV LX if anyone is curious if this works for their CRV. Easy to install, works well. I bought this for my 2003 Element. It installed easily, approximately 3 minutes, and worked correctly. I wish I had bought it when I got the vehicle instead of waiting.